Hello, I'm Designer Kai. Today I will teach you how to DIY your own snapback. Let's get started. Let's prepare 2 heads first. These are the gadgets we need to use. First, draw a rough outline of the range that needs to be cut. Now it's time to cut. Be careful. There's also a hole in the visor that can be cut with scissors. I brought a punch tool. So let's try it now. Forget it, let's go outside and solve it. Oh, hard to dig a hole. Keep smashing, this hole is too small. Almost done. After a lot of hard work, it's finally done. Let's see how it works.